everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question answers based on the topic we had studied in the previous video. If you haven't watched our previous video on variables, please do go and watch it. Be honest with the answer and comment your score.
The first question is, which of the following is the correct syntax for declaring a float variable named myFloat in Java? Please pause the video and observe the options. The correct option is option number D, float, myFloat, semicolon. You don't need to assign the value 0.0 to myFloat because the default value of float is already 0.0. So if you write it like option D itself, then the syntax will be correct. So the correct way to declare a float variable is the fourth option, that is option number D. Next question. What is the difference between a float and a double in Java? Please pause the video and observe the options. The correct option is option number B. A double has a larger range of values than a float. Next question. What is the default value of a Boolean variable in Java? A, 0, B, false, C, true. The correct option is false. Next question. What is the maximum value that can be stored in a byte variable in Java? Please pause the video and observe the options. The correct option is option number C, 128. Next question. Which of the following is a primitive type in Java? A, string, B, integer, C, character, D, array list. The correct option is character, option number C, because you might see that integer is a primitive type also, but why is it in capitalized letters? Because this integer is an integer of wrapper class. The int which you see written in lowercase, that one is a primitive data type, but this one in the second option is a wrapper class, about which we are going to study in further tutorials. Next question. What is the difference between integer and long in Java? Pause the video and observe the options. The correct option is option number D. Long has a larger range of values than integer.
So I hope you enjoyed the MCQs. These MCQs will help in revisiting your concepts more and more. It will help you in understanding the concepts better. It will make you confident in the topic. So my suggestion will be to practice more and more MCQs and programs to evaluate yourself. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye-bye.